equal payment present worth amount. In this type of investment mode, the objective is to determine the present worth P of equal payments A which are made at the end of every interest period till the end of nth interest period at an interest rate I compounded every period. The cash flow diagram of this situation is, we have a timeline. We have made an equal payment A at the end of every year till the end of nth year. This investment we call it as annuity. So for this annuity we need to determine what will be the present worth. The mathematical representation of the statement is known value of annuity or equal payments with unknown P with I interest rate and N interest period. The factor P/A I N is called equal payment present worth factor. The formula to obtain the equal payment present worth amount is P is equal to A into 1 plus I to the power of N minus 1 divided by I into 1 plus I to the power of N. Here I is in terms of decimals.
Now let's solve an example on equal payment present worth amount. Mahesh wishes to deposit a sum of rupees 8,000 per year for next 6 years into his savings account, which earns 18% interest rate. Determine the present worth of his investment. So let's understand the question. Mahesh is going to deposit 8,000 rupees every year for 6 years. And for his investment, the bank is going to give him 18% interest rate. See, they have not mentioned about compounding annually. So even though they have not mentioned compounding annually, it is assumed that the interest rate is compounded annually. Now we are supposed to determine what is the present worth of his investment. Let's solve it. Given data, annual equivalent amount which is the annuity denoted as capital A is equal to rupees 8,000. Interest period which is small n is equal to interest period is for 6 years. Interest rate which is I is equal to 18%, which I am converting into decimals, which is 0.18. Now we'll draw the cash flow diagram for this particular question. So you have a timeline with cash inflow and cash outflow. Cash inflow, cash outflow, timeline. So here the investment period is for 6 years. Now I'll draw the cash flow. Starting with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So they have given he is going to deposit 8,000 rupees every year up to 6 years. So from the end of first year he is going to deposit. So be careful depositing to the bank account. From the account of Mahesh he is going to deposit into bank's account. So cash is flowing out from Mahesh account to bank's account. So it is cash outflow for 6 years. So it is a constant cash outflow which is annuity, which is equal to rupees 8,000. So we are supposed to determine what is the present worth of his investment, how much he has in his account, so that the value will be of 8,000 is going to deposit. So this will be cash inflow. If the amount is outflow, then the unknown will be cash inflow. That is how you can remember, because Mahesh is depositing 8,000, so cash is flowing from Mahesh's account to bank account. Therefore the unknown data what we need to determine, the present worth, will be cash inflow. So P is unknown. So this is what we are supposed to determine. So we'll look into the equation. Present worth or present value, which is denoted as P, is equal to annuity multiplied by 1 plus I to the power of n minus 1 divided by I into 1 plus I to the power of n. So this is the equation. Now we'll substitute the values into this particular equation and then determine what will be the present worth, which is equal to, now annuity is 8,000 multiplied by 1 plus rate of interest is 0.18, n is 6 minus 1 divided by I is 0.18 multiplied by 1 plus 0.18 to the power of 6, which is equal to 8,000 multiplied by, we'll calculate the value of this particular term. Now 1 plus 0.18 to the power of 6 minus 1 divided by 0.18 multiplied by 1 plus 0.18 to the power of 6, close the bracket, is equal to 3.4976. If I round it off, it will be 3.498. 3.498. So if I multiply this, I'll get the present value P, which will be equal to 8,000 multiplied by 3.498, which is equal to 27,984 rupees. 27,984. The present worth of Mahesh's investment of investing 8,000 rupees every year for next 6 years will be 27,984 rupees.